Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the wallpaper section, then you have to agree with terms and conditions. Next you have to select if you want to set one of the pre-installed wallpapers. You can select one of the online wallpapers if you have connection to the internet. As you can see, you have some pretty ones with kittens here, with anime girls, wonderful wallpapers. But you can also set your own image or photo as a wallpaper by going to the local photos. Then you have to select the photo. Let's pick this one. Here you can adjust it like this and then tap apply. Then you have to select if you want to set it on lock screen, on home screen, or on both screens. And after that, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.